Alright, this is Illusions 5488. Here we go. Good luck. Random teams. Let's do this. Five times. Here we go. Good luck. Oh, we're not removing anyone. 1, 2, 3. Straight down. Whoa. 5. Bengals top. Bucks bottom here. That's 5 times. Jeez, good placement there. Top and bottom. Patriots. Just everyone's around. Jags at 10. That's 5 times. Get rid of it. Yeah, I know that feeling. Now that I've had it, like I'm just like, well, I've had it now. I think I'm safe for a month or something. Like, I don't exactly know how that works. But I may as well use the opportunity to go and do it. I don't really like Pockets. Listen, he's fine. I'm a CM Punk guy. Old My Dog Pockets, eh? Alright, here we go. Illusions 5488. Let's go. Alright. Oh, Maggie, I'm a big fan of the Acclaimed. The Acclaimed. Have around. 7 spots left in the last MLB break of the night. It's a snaps. 3 spots awarded in the Now, do you think I could be a member of the Acclaimed? 1 spot left now. It is flown. Wowee. Here we go. People just clean up that last little bit of it. Ah, it's full now. There you go. Wow. All right. I love Hangman. 5488. Here we go. First one up. Full case coming up of Illusions. We should get a very good idea of what the product's like on this. Darden, Roethlisberger, Boo, Kadarius Toney. It's a Matt Ryan red to 99. I really like that shade of red. Illusions, Jamar Chase, number to 299. I would love to see a 1-on-1. Wentz, Devonta Smith. I already should have bet here. Cool, sorry, Wentz. Devonta Smith, Josh Allen's. That is nice. To just 10, Trey Sermon for the 49ers. Hey, get out of here, Musuguk, Mukaspuff. 1 of 10, that is beautiful. And Shining Stars of Amari Cooper, unnumbered. Vom.red. Vom.ong. Vom.mag, Daniel Jones. Trey Lance. Filthy Dobbinses. And it's a Jalen Darden to 99 instant impact jersey. Who the Tampa Bay is. King of Cards to 399, Peyton Manning. Vom.ong Magoo. DeAndre Hopkins. Dave Williams, Dak Prescott. Jared Goff to 499. Spacer. Illusionist of Michael Thomas. Watson. Mac Jones rookie. Chubba Hubbard to 25 to a Tagovailoa. Spacer. And clear shots of Trevor Lawrence. Nice. Justin Fields forever. Sean Taylor. Oh, trophy collection. Najee Harris. Oh, it's got what's his name in the background. That's cool. It's got the bus in the background. I like that. To just 10. Very nice. And a highlight swatches to 50 for the Chargers. Herbie. And Mystique. Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie. Jeez, that is a really nice start. Tyler Wallace. Chase Claypool, Jalen Darden. It is Jamison Crowder to just 249. King of Cards, Brady, unnumbered, but still cool. What break are you in, Ringer? Donald. Kenny Nwangwu. Brandon Ayuk. A dual jersey, Deja Vu of Kellen Mond and Fran Tarkenton. That's fake. Who was that one? Lamar Jackson, King of Cards. Who's that? There's no way that Sister19 lol.online is a real person. Okay, maybe it is. Oh, it's Sister19 lol online. Kellen Mond, Miles Sanders, Stafford. Jamar Chase, Jersey, Instant Impact. And clear shot, Saquon Barkley. Yes, I love Daniel Garcia. I think he's super cool. Russian Donald there. Oh, no. Boo. Kadarius Toney, DeAndre Hopkins. Elusive Ink of Joe Horn. Oh, that's right. I do remember that. Illusionist Mac Jones. Oh, nice. Illusionist Max Jones. Derek Carr. Fin off spaces. Jalen Waddle. DJ Chark. And also for the Saints, it's Ian Book to 399. Can you dig it? Illusionist Devonta Smith. 19 lol online. Trey Sermon. It is a... That's cool. Rookie Idols, Trevor Lawrence, Peyton Manning. That'll need to be randomized. Mystique, Elijah Moore, number 299. Why do they exist? Just give them the same person. Terrace Marshall Jr. Same team. Amon-Ra St. Brown. And Pat Freiermuth to 99. Ink Watts. Justin Fields, clear shots, unnumbered. Ramondre Stevenson, Ezekiel Elliott, Gibson. Highlight swatches of Trey Lance for the 49ers. And Mystique, Kyle Trask, rookie. Javonte Williams. Dak. Kellen Mond. Kyler Murray, blue to 30. Jeez, that's a nice shade of blue. What's a 1-1 in this, Dale? Did you get any? Mystique, Kellen Mond to 399. Trevor Lawrence, rookie. Amir Smith, Marciette to 249. And clear shots, Aaron Donald to 399. I'm bringing this hospital to red coat, better with blood stains. Kamara, Mills, Goff. Justin Fields, nice to 249. And Shining Stars, Justin Fields. Some Strawberry Fields forever. Drew G, Stephon Diggs, Lamar Jackson, Jalen Hurts to 499. And Shining Stars of Jamar Chase. Cornell Powell, Keenan Allen, Anthony Schwartz. To 25, clear shots, auto Trey Lance. Wow, that's pretty. King of Cards, Dak Prescott. Jeez, that's a really, really nice looking card. You'd think it'd be another bit lower, but hey, whatever. Trey Lance. Geez, so we've had Trey Lance and Trey Sermon. Wait, no one likes Trey Sermon, do they? Trey Lance, no one likes. Miles Sanders, Matt Stafford. Ramondre Stevenson. Mike Allstott. Patch auto to 10. And look at that patch. Player worn material. That is a fantastic patch. The top of the bucket, yeah. Or the flag or something. I don't know. I'll clear shots. Maggie, why are you being so nice all of a sudden? What's this all about? What's this all about? You're looking like a mill. Michael Gaskin, Nick Chubb. Tutu Atwell, a red to 99. Hello, Michael Carter. And Javonte Williams, Mystique. So skinless. Najee Harris, Tom Brady, Kyle Pitts. Rookie Vision to 99, Travis Etienne Jr. Clear shot, Zach Wilson. This must be a pretty highly printed set. Looks amazing. And you get a lot of numbered stuff, but there's a lot of 399s and a lot of Darby Brown. Mahomes. Davis Mills to 499. Yes, Derby was earlier in the night. Illusionist Dak Prescott, number to 299. Check out YouTube. Wow, that is a big card. Dalvin Cook, Tua Tagovailoa, Cortland Sutton. Hunter Henry auto to 99 for the Patriots. And Illusionist Red to 149, Trey Lance. Carl Trask. Herbie, second likely. First Impressions to 299, Trey Sermon. Jeez, there's a lot of Sermon, just like at Nico's house. Illusionist Travis Etienne Jr. I don't know how good this microphone picks up everything. Jamar Chase, Travis Etienne Jr., Carson Wentz, and Xavier Rhodes to 75. Whoa! Kellen Mond, Mystique. Devonta Smith, Josh Allen, Tylan Wallace. Pink to 39, Javonte Williams, and Shining Stars of Devonta Smith. I'll just add on for you. Jalen Hurts, Cam Newton, Ryan Tannehill. To 49, Simi Fehoko, and Illusionist, nice, Travis Lawrence Red, number to 399. What if you could? Jacob Harris, Justin Jefferson, T. Higgins. A pink to 399, Josh Jacobs, and Shining Stars, Trevor Lawrence. Tell you what, the actual good hit pile is the tallest one with all the numbered stuff in it. Chase Claypool, Rashad Bateman, Derrick Henry. Ozzie Newsome, patch auto to 50, immortalized. Get out of here. So you. That's really nice as well. And Trevor Lawrence. No, Maggie, there's another 3 illusions breaks. It was a no personals though, I'm cooked. Sean Taylor to 499, and Mystique Najee Harris rookie. T-Law, nice. Kyler Murray, Miles Gaskins. Boo to 399. And Shining Stars, Dalvin Cook. Najee Harris, Tom Brady, Kyle Pitts. First Impressions, Jersey Auto to 109, Kyle Trask. King of Cards, rookie, Trey Lance. The whites unnumbered. Baker Mayfield, Jamison Crowder, Travis Kelce. Jared Goff to 149. And Mystique of Zach Wilson, rookie to 299. Josh Palmer, Wilson, Des Fitzpatrick. Jalen Hurts, auto to 20. Limelight signatures. So, I don't know, Kyrgios has just done the job. Trevor Lawrence, Mystique. Done the deal. Maggie, do you like Kyrgios? Tutu Atwell, Dalvin Cook. A dual jersey for the Falcons of Pitts and Gonzalez. And Shining Stars, Zach Wilson, number 399. So what if you could see? Darby Brown, alright. Mahomie. Aaron Rodgers to 399. And Mystique Pink to 399, Rashad Bateman. Jamar Chase, Travis Etienne Jr., Carson Wentz, Derrick Henry to 249, and Illusionist of George Kittle. Mr. Sierra Nieto himself. Tua Tagovailoa, Colin Sutton, Jacob Harris, Josh Palmer to 499. King of Cards, Russell Wilson. I like the King of Cards set. I think that's cool. Justin Jefferson, T. Higgins, Kyle Trask, a Rundale Moore to 99, and Illusionist of Kyle Pitts. That is Illusions 5488 done. Oh.